G'day YouTube, and welcome to this episode of the Gunman Raw. So we're continuing on from some previous videos I've done on this job here, and we're up to the Basecoat stage. So yeah, wet on wet price. Radio guys, continuing on with this job, we're up to the second coat of Basecoat. So yeah, each coat I'll wind the fluid in, half a turn the pressure down by 5 psi. I think the battery fell out of the GoPro on that first coat, so I'm not quite sure how far we got. I think, yeah. So I guess I'll go over some of the things that I said in the first coat. So Pro Light TE20 1.3 PPG Enviro base. One of the things that I was saying is that it seems to be a slightly slower process using the PPG because you have to put a coat on and then wait for it to dry and then put another coat on. It is a bit of a slower procedure. But in saying that, I'm used to it, you know. It's not that bad. It's basically like solvent in many ways. Solvent but better because you're not going to get any fry-ups or sink back or anything like that. So I mixed up, how much was it? 1.2 litres for this job. I'm only going to put one coat on the inside of the door. I might put a second one inside here just to be sure. The guard, same thing. I'm not putting a second coat on the inside. One coat's fine. That's all you need. It's actually a pretty damn cool colour. I might have to go out in between coats and top up. Feel like I'm starting to run out. I'll be doing a separate video on the clear coat stage. Most of the jobs I seem to do here are pretty big actually. This is just an average size job. Smash this job out in half a day. I'll get this done before lunchtime. I did get a little bit of a head start on it yesterday actually. I found the colour in last night and I gave the panels a bit of a clean down. And I did actually, I did start blocking, but then, yeah, most of the job I've been doing today. Anyway, as I say, I'm going to go and fill up that base coat gun, and I'll see you back here in a minute for the last coat. I'll get the colour code for you too, because it is a pretty cool colour. Radio, back to this job there, gunners. So, I've gone and topped the pot up a little bit. Same thing. Half a turn in on the fluid, and 5 psi down. So the colour code was 4U5. 4U5. The name of the colour was dark brown. Now, you don't actually get the full effect until you see it in the light, but it's actually a pretty damn cool colour. It's sort of like that Coca-Cola type brown with a bit of pearl. It's got red pearls, a rally pearl, a few other different pearls in it, so yeah, it's actually a pretty damn cool colour. I don't know if you can see there's the metallics dancing around there at the moment, but yeah, pretty good. as I said before, we're going to do a separate video for the clear coat stage. Hope you guys have been enjoying me breaking the videos up into, you know, smaller chunks. I'm always open to criticism or feedback, you know. Let me know what you think, what I could do to improve. If you got any questions, I can't guarantee I'm going to get back to you, but sometimes I'll just answer them in a video, you know. Anyway, until next time, I'll give you guys a quick look over the job. And as I say, we're going to be doing a clear coat vid, so be sure to stick around for that one. Till next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.